Welcome to Cine Tech. Today, we're reviewing the Tikom G8000 Max robot vacuum and mop combo, a budget-friendly option for automated home cleaning. This self-charging unit promises daily tidiness for hard floors and low-pile carpets. We'll explore its performance and value. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's assess how this robot vacuum performs with everyday chores. This unit is effective at reducing visible daily dust and crumbs, particularly in rooms with straightforward layouts and minimal obstacles. Self-charging capabilities and scheduled cleaning runs are helpful conveniences, making daily floor upkeep largely hands-off for users. Performance on hard floor surfaces like wood, tile, or laminate is a particular strength for this type of entry-level robot cleaner. The navigation system is less precise, relying on more random patterns compared to advanced LiDAR-based mapping, which can affect coverage. This robot capably handles basic daily cleaning tasks, especially on hard floors, though its navigation system is less advanced compared to premium models. Now, let's explore whether the cost aligns with what you get. Its accessible entry price is definitely the primary selling point, making automatic cleaning much more affordable for many households. This unit offers good value for routine daily upkeep, serving as an effective maintenance cleaner between more thorough manual sessions. Features like automatic charging and scheduling bring significant convenience in a crowded market segment. Securing this robot at a good sale price is crucial for maximizing its competitive value proposition. This robot provides good value, mainly through its accessible price, making automated cleaning achievable for many budget-conscious buyers. Let's review potential issues and set appropriate expectations for buyers. This model's navigation system can struggle with common household obstacles like toys or charging cables, potentially causing disruptions to its cleaning path. Its performance on deeper pile carpets or thicker rugs will likely be less effective compared to its strong performance on hard floors. Customer support from budget-focused brands can sometimes be less predictable or consistent compared to more established, premium manufacturers. It is important to set realistic expectations. This robot is best for routine maintenance rather than deep autonomous cleaning performance. Buyers should understand its limitations regarding obstacles and carpet performance, and manage expectations for this budget-focused robotic cleaner. The Tikom G8000 Max is a solid choice for buyers seeking an entry-level robot vacuum at an accessible price point. It excels at routine surface cleaning in less complex environments. However, temper your expectations for advanced mapping or deep carpet cleaning. It's best suited for those needing simple, automated upkeep rather than a full-featured, high-performance solution. This unit is a fair budget pick for routine maintenance,